Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And over the years, people have asked how to make puzzles. And this is a really unique puzzle. This would be maybe really difficult to put together because every piece is different. It's really easy to make. And I'm going to show you how to do it. And each piece is individual that you could cut out and only go back in those spots. Each piece is separate. So we're just going to make one real quick, show you how easy it is. We're going to take a block, doesn't really matter what size as long as it's square. Let's make it 3 by 3. We're going to set our nudge distance on 3 inches. And we're going to control D and make a duplicate and just move it over. And for the video, I'm not going to make quite as large. Control D and now move down. Now, here's the key. Select all of them, go up to arrange and combine them. Now it's all one piece. Now, grab whatever tool you like. I love the twirl tool. Make it whatever size you want. Just get on a line and start twirling. And what's neat about the twirl tool, you can change direction, you can change size, and just make a couple going every which way, different, levels, from top to bottom. You can actually move your twirl tool while you're moving and get a little bit, while you're pressing your mouse button. I'm just pressing my left mouse button. And then you can go up here and change the direction of the twirl. So see, that's going in the opposite direction. And if you did every square, and there's other tools you could use that I don't like as much, like use the repel tool to repel something, different things like that, a track tool that does the same thing, but not maybe as aggressive, and you can change, the nib size, and there's a lot you can do with it. We're going to go back to the twirl tool, do a few more, and also you can do a corner. You get right in the corner. That would be an easy piece to put together. Those 4 would give them a little bit of false security that they're going to put this thing together, and do all the shape. Maybe I wouldn't mess with the outside like I did there. Stay inside the boundary of the puzzle. And for the video, this is probably good enough. You'll see. I just can't stop. Anyway, then go up to arrange and break the curve apart. Voila. You have individual pieces of puzzle that maybe is going to be harder than a regular puzzle, but you'd want to do every piece have a little facet to it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.